Hi, here's a quick 2-minute workout requested by a family member. Let's begin. Warm up. Just a brief loosening up. You can, if you've got a wall, you can lean on the wall and bring the knees in like so. Then a hip roll, not too exaggerated, just nice and relaxed. Loosening off the hips, lower back. If you've got any lower back issues or knee issues, do get medical advice first. Talking of hips though, let's loosen off more here by a swing of the leg. Again, I'm holding onto the wall. You can challenge your balance like so. Doesn't matter if you bend the knee. Okie dokie. So let's begin with the workout. I've got a wide squat and a lunge. And we're going to hold position 4 seconds each position. So legs wide, a slight subtle bend of the knee. Posture's nice and upright. 2, 1, and back up. Next, we go into a lunge. Tummy tight. 3, 2, 1. Back up. Any problem with those knees, don't do this. But start progressively. Start, if you're worried, start with a gentle bend. You can hold onto the wall if you need to. And back up. There's 4 seconds. Shake that out. Let's say that's our first circuit. Let's do it all over again. Legs wide. Maybe raise the heels if you really want to go to town. But otherwise, feet flat. Posture is more important here. Doesn't matter if you rest the palms on the thighs, that's fine as well. Rotate. Abdominals working, even your pelvic floor. Or at the very least, if you don't want to bombard your mind, just squeeze your bum. And keep a good posture. There's 4 seconds. Round the other side. Same again. Down. Remember, squeeze bottom. Get that tummy working. And back up. Okay, give that a shake. Alright, so this is for beginners or those just returning to exercise. Shorter time, even if you have done lots of exercise in the past, you can fit this in. You're just holding the position and you're not going to get too sweaty. Final round. This will be 3 times round. Here we go, 4 seconds, good posture. Let's make it tougher. Let's get fingertips on the back of the head. Push the elbows out. And back up. Good, give that a shake. Round to the other side. So again, drop down, tummy, glutes, maybe hands here if you want to. And back up, so 4 seconds again. And finally, one more time. 3, 2, and 1. And back up. And there we have it, a short 2-minute, might go over slightly, but essentially 2 minutes in your day just to work the legs and tick off your exercise, your small step towards more exercise. Hope you enjoyed it, there's more to come.